I've always wanted a crystal ball to display during this spooky season, but can never find a reasonably priced one in the store. After coming across a photo online, I decided to make my own. To make this easy piece of Halloween decor, you need a plastic glass with skeleton hand and a glowing ball. Just keep in mind, like any glow stick, it will only glow for so long. The best thing to do is crack the glow ball when you are ready to display. Start by gently breaking the plastic cup. You want the fingers to remain intact. There is no need to rush this part. Keeping the fingers intact will allow the ball a place to sit. I use wire cutters to cut through the plastic. Gently break the pieces and remove. I had a little of the cup left in the bottom, but I did not want to risk breaking the fingers. Start the glowing ball and place it in the base of the hand. Add to your Halloween setup and this craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.